welcome back to another video. It is shopping haul day and I am Tabitha, friends. So let me first tell you, if you're new here, welcome. I am delighted to have you. If you're returning, thank you, and just know that I greatly appreciate you. Okay, so I'm outside. I know you're thinking, well, why are we outside if you're doing a shopping haul? I have some goodies to show you, and there's things I can't tote in the house, okay? So let's just go ahead and dive into this shopping haul, friends. Make sure that you subscribe if you are new here and haven't subscribed, and make sure you give me a thumbs up. Down in the comment section, introduce yourself. If not, leave me a shopping haul bag, okay? So we're gonna start with the Dollar Tree. I got additional items from the Dollar Tree that, of course, I'm gonna be adding to the garden space. And then I stopped by the Dollar Tree again today and I picked up three of these tarps, okay? Remember, I have landscape fabric, but I'm also going to use these tarps. So you'll be seeing an upcoming video of me actually staking these tarps down on the ground. Now, remember this, if you're using tarps down on your ground, the tarp can go down on the ground as like a landscape, as long as it's not up against the house, okay? Google it, you'll find out. Aldi's. Look, friends. Yep. These are lady garden boots. They had them in 3 different styles. So they had this cheetah print, and then they had them in a green that had floral on it, but it was like a little soft green, like a little, yeah, like a pastel green almost. And then they had it was like a fuchsia soft burgundy light color, but $12.99. I also picked up these solar lights. I'm thinking about putting these solar lights on the side of the house. If I don't like it, I can put it somewhere else, okay? But all these had these are solar. They had this the warm white, and then they had like that bright white, and these was actually $9.99. Last I got from Aldi's is these flower pots. I got 2 of these. $9.99. Now, these are the ones I got from Aldi's, because these are actually the ones that I'm gonna put my hydrangeas in, okay? Now, these are the ones that I had already had, but I'm just now bringing them out. And I got these from Sam's, and they was $14.99. Yes, $14.99 at Sam's. Those was $9.99 at Aldi's. As you can tell, the colors are different. Now, let's move on to Temu. I got this little flag from Temu. It's a little welcome flag, and I'm gonna put this out in the front. I'm gonna be slowly working on the front portion of my yard, even though my main focus right now is the back. This is welcome. The material is thick as well. It's nice and thick. I may have to get another one because I think the one that the little stake thing that I have is for a larger one, which I seen those at Rose's. So I think I actually may go back to Rose's and get that. And if I'm not mistaken, Rose's had those for $9.99, and it was 3 flags in that pack as well as the stake. So friends, I finally decided what I'm going to do in my masters, okay? If you recall, that was from Temu. This is Temu. I showed you gold mirrors like this. It wasn't the last shopping haul. I think it was 2 shopping hauls ago. But I showed you these, and you can actually just stack them, and you can stack them any way that you want. Now, this pack comes with 12. So what I did was, because I already had 24. Oh, excuse me. These are the 2 packs of 12s that I already had, which is 24. And then I ordered additional 24. So that is what I'm gonna put in my masters on each side. And what I'll do is I will include a picture right here, so that way you can see how the mirrors are. Even though I showed it before, I'm gonna still insert that picture right here. And these was again from Temu. So I basically have a total of 48. I'm gonna use this in my masters, and that is what's gonna go over the nightstands. Now, friends, the last I need to show you is my shopping haul from Lowe's, and then, well, Rose's as well. But I'm gonna need to take you off the camera to show you that, okay? Okay, friends, so I went to Lowe's. I got more mulch. They were $2 a bag because I'm going to need that mulch because I have multiple areas that's going to go in. Those are rocks I have left over. I actually just went and picked up this. Sorry about that. Picked up this soil just now, okay? Because I had to take some to my mom. However, this was my order that I actually picked up last weekend. So this also came from Lowe's. They were $2 a bag. And then lastly was this potting soil that I had got from Rose's. Yes. And I think these was like $3 and something. So yeah. And this is the flower vegetable garden soil plus the fertilizer. And this is just potting soil. Yeah. So friends, that is my shopping haul for today. That explained to you why I'm outside, as well as right after this video, I'm about to dive into this backyard and try to get some things done, so that way you can look forward to the next backyard transformation video that will be posted on Monday. So friends, remember to like this video. If you didn't like it when you first came in, you can do so now. Remember to tell a friend, and also you can share. Click share and you can create a post and post it onto your YouTube community page, or you can share it to other friends and share it to other social medias, okay? Friends, thank you so much for stopping by today's video. Until next time, friends, remember to always be bold, be creative, and most importantly, be you. Until next time, friends, bye.